Hello, my dear students. It's our pleasure to welcome you, wishing you all the best. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with two questions in your English exam. Choose and rewrite. But before that, firstly, I advise you to make your own glossary to remember all vocabulary. Secondly, try to make as many examples as you could for all structures. Finally, do as many tests as you could. Now, let's start. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at question number 1. Choose. When you are able to start, when you are able to stand or move without falling, then you have balance. Balance means able to stand or move without falling. Balance here means stand or move without falling. Number 2. Is someone who sails on boats or ships? Sailor. Number B. Sailor means someone who sails on boats or ships. 2 is to make someone or something do what you want. Control. Control means make someone or something do what you want. The next, when you use the internet, it means that you are online. Number A. When you use the internet means you are online. The next thing is that you do with your body is physical. Number B. Things that you do with your body means physical. The next, I'm afraid, is said when you are sorry. Number C. Sorry. The next person isn't able to see. Can't see. Number B. Blind. Blind means can't see. The next, square, circle, and triangle are examples of shapes. Number C. Shapes means square, circle, triangle, rectangle, and so on. The next is a person who works to protect the country. To protect the country, soldier. Number A. Soldier is a person who works to protect the country. The next, the way of doing something is called system. Number C. System is the way of doing something. The next, the girl is so she can't hear you. Number B. Deaf. Deaf means you can't hear. The last one, the school was 40 years ago. Set up. Set up 40 years ago. Now let's look at rewrite. Write the following using the words in practice to give the same meaning. Number 1. Use shouldn't. Use shouldn't. You make it you shouldn't. First, omit I advise you not. Omit I advise you not to. and write you shouldn't. So the answer will be, you shouldn't play in the street. You shouldn't play in the street. Number 2, it is important to revise your lessons. Use should. Make it you should. Omit it is important to. Write you should. So your answer will be, you should revise your lessons. You should revise your lessons. The next, number 3, you are advised to eat healthy food to be fit. Use should. Make it you should. Omit you are advised to. Write you should. So your answer will be, you should eat healthy food to be fit. The next, Shema didn't answer many questions. Use few. Omit didn't. Answer will be answered. Replace few with many. So your answer will be, Shema answered few questions. Shema answered few questions. The next, Rodina has more water than Muhammad. Use less. First, begin with Muhammad and replace more with less. So your answer will be, Muhammad has less water than Rodina. The next, no one in the class has less juice than Salma. Begin with them. So your answer will be, Salma has the least juice. Salma has the least juice in the class. The next, Ahmed buys a new bike every year. Is bought. When you see verb to be plus past participle, you should think of passive. Remember that passive sentence begin with object plus verb to be plus past participle. So you should start with object. The object here is a new bike. Start with a new bike. So a new bike, verb to be, will be is, because the verb is in present simple. A new bike is bought every year by Ahmed. The next, did you finish your homework? Use was. When you see was, when you see verb to be, you should know that the sentence will be passive. So start with was. Replace did with was. And replace you with the object. Was your homework. And write past participle. Was your homework finished? Was your homework finished? The next, the doctor examined me yesterday. I is an object. So you will change the sentence into passive. Begin with I. Look at the verb. The verb is in past simple. So I was. I was. I was examined yesterday by the doctor. Look at the next. Tamer gets the full mark in English. Must. must. Tamer gets the full mark means Tamer must be good at English. The next, I am sure that it isn't your mobile. I am sure that it isn't your mobile means it can't be your mobile. It can't be your mobile. The next, perhaps Salma is at home means Salma might be at home.